Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter oil. Begin by roasting or using raw peanuts, then pulse in a high-speed blender until oils release and a paste forms. Scrape down sides and continue blending in short bursts to avoid heat buildup. Once smooth, transfer paste to a fine mesh strainer and press or squeeze to extract oil into a clean jar, then store chilled. Keep your workflow steady. Blend for 20 to 30 seconds, rest 30 seconds, and repeat to keep temperatures down and flavor bright. If the paste seems dry, add 1 tsp neutral oil like grapeseed to help oil flow without altering taste. Use a spatula to scrape every 30 seconds so all peanuts are evenly processed. Patience yields clearer oil and less residual paste, which makes pressing easier and more efficient. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more recipes and tips. Quick recommendation: I enjoyed the simple path to wealth because its clear advice on money management made me rethink priorities and save smarter, which made buying quality tools for projects like this easier. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab it, I hope it helps. Now let's get back to the video. Once you have a smooth peanut paste, line a sieve with cheesecloth and press firmly with a spatula, or use a nut milk bag and twist to extract oil. Pour the strained oil through a coffee filter if you want extra clarity. Label the jar with date and store in the fridge where it will keep for about 3 months, or freeze in small portions for longer storage without losing flavor or integrity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.